Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this interpretation. So we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about x equals to 1 over u. So I will put u go to the left, s go to the right. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. About s, we change for this one. About the s, so I will put negative s square go to the left. And we know that s, that is about this one. So the s we change for this one. So u square simplified by u. Next, the square root of 1 over u multiplied by this one. So we have like this. About this one, we can multiply by u and u. So we combine two fractions in here. The square root of u square, that is about u. This one we can simplify. The square root of 1 plus u, that is about 1 over 2. So because we need to put this one go to numerator, so we need to put the negative on the power. So we have like this. And now we have the final answer. So this one, that is about 1 over 2. This one, that is about 1 over 2. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.